Hello, dear viewers. The model of the phone that I have in my hand is Redmi 80. This phone model is Redmi 80. Now, today I'll show you how to use OTG on the phone. Can use pendrive and memory card and mouse if you want. And I will also show you whether OTG is supported phones or not. And if OTG doesn't work, I'll show you how to fix it. In order to If you wonder, this phone basically doesn't have to turn on any option to give OTG connection. Just install OTG, but you will get the connection. In order to connect OTG to the phone first, I need to take an OTG, then the pendrive and the cut OTG, connect the 12. Then in this pendrive, I will connect 12 again with OTG. Then I will put this OTG on my phone. I will wait for a while after installing it, but here I can see my phone OTG is working. Scroll down the display and show my pendrive file. And if your phone OTG is not work, so you have to. So now what you have to do? If OTG doesn't work on your phone, then you just change it to your OTG. And if OTG it works, you have no problems. My phone OTG is not working here, so now I will replace OTG and solve my problem. And if you want to mouse on this phone, I just put the mouse here and wait few seconds after installing it. But here I can see this phone is mouse working. So viewers, Redmi 80 phone fully OTG supported, and if you want to use mouse, pendrive, memory card with OTG connection. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.